Today we're going to do proportions. Proportions are two ratios or fractions that are equal. Okay, proportions are two ratios or fractions that are equal. For example, 1/3 equals 2/6. So this is kind of goes back to when we were trying to find common denominators for fractions. 3 times what gets me 6? That's 2. 1 times 2 is 2. All right. Now, there's several ways to show you how to do proportions. I'm going to show you one way so you don't get confused. So if I have a proportion, okay, 5/50 equals 10/x. Right? I can figure out what times what gets me, 5 times what gets me 10, and then divide, but I'm going to show you one way so you don't get confused. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply the two numbers that are diagonal from each other. So you're going to cross multiply. Okay. So 50 times 10. Which is 500. Okay. And then 5 times x. Okay, so 5 times x. So 5 times x. Okay, and then we're going to divide. Okay, we just did equations. What's always the last step when I have something times something equals 500? We are going to divide. So 5 divided by 5 is to get x by itself. And 500 divided by 5 is 100. So x equals 100. Let's do another one. Right, 4/24 equals x/82. So I'm going to cross multiply. So 24 times x. So cross multiply both diagonals. Then divide. Okay, so 24 times x, and then 82 times 4 equals 328. All right, x once I divide the 24, I divide it this way to get x by itself. So x equals 13.6. I can get decimals. It's not wrong to get a decimal, but I can get a decimal. Okay, let's do another one. All right, and the x can be in all different spots. It doesn't matter. This will eventually be a word problem. So depending how the word problem sets it up, we'll decide where the x goes. So we're going to cross multiply and divide. So 50 times 24 is 1,200, and 2 times x equals 1,200, and I'm going to divide the 2 by itself. X equals 600. Okay, now you'll try yourself on Canvas.